Hi friend, I am Asith Roy. Welcome to AR Multimedia Computer YouTube channel. You can look at my computer screen a beautiful Hindu colorful wedding invitation card design in Microsoft Word 2019. In this video tutorial we'll learn how to make editable Hindu colorful wedding invitation card design in Microsoft Word. Now I am going to start my tutorial, so stay with me till the end and watch the completed video. At first time we open Microsoft Word programs, go to Layout, Size, More Paper Size, Paper, Width 7.5 inch, Height 5 inch, Margins, Top 0.2 inch, Bottom 0.2 inch, Left 0.2 inch and Right 0.2 inch, Landscape. OK. Insert. Shapes. Rectangle. Draw rectangle. Shape format. Shape outline. No outline. Shape fill. Black. Insert. Pictures. This device. Go to computer device or location. Desktop. Wedding card. Select image. Insert. Picture format. Wrap text. In front of text. Decrease the image. Home. Copy. Paste. Picture format. Rotate. Flip vertical. Insert. Picture. This device. Select image. Insert. Picture format. Wrap text. In front of text. Set the image. Insert. Text box. Draw text box. Draw text box on the card and adjust it. Shape format. Shape outline. No outline. Shape fill. No fill. Home. Font size 14 pt. Select font color orange. Align center. Write your text and letter according to your need. Select the text. Font size 18 pt. Select the all text. Font color white. Select the name. Font size 36 pt. Select monotype cursive font. Select the name. Font size 36 pt. Select monotype cursive font. Font color orange. Select the name. Font color orange. Select text. Paragraph. Remove space after paragraph. Select text. Font size 10 pt. Select text and font color orange. Insert. Picture. This device. Select image. Insert. Wrap text. In front of text. Adjust image. Color. Select any style. Insert. Picture. This device. Select image. Insert. Wrap text. In front of text. Adjust image. Insert. Shapes. Select oval shape. Draw shape and adjust it. Shape fill. Picture. From a file. Select image. Insert. Picture format. Color. Select orange. Shape outline, no outline. Wedding card design is being finished. Go to File. Save. Browse. Desktop. Wedding card folder. Write your file name. Save. In the way we will be able to create all kind of wedding card design template in Microsoft Word. Thanks everyone for watching the tutorial. If you have learned something new by watching my video, please press subscribe my channel and touch bell icon for get upload new tutorial. Please like, share, comments my YouTube channel AR Multimedia. See you in a new tutorial. Stay well, stay healthy.